Good afternoon, and we're going to do a quick tutorial Tuesday. We haven't done one for a while, so I thought we'd have a little go at doing. On our layout, we showed you how we made these, which are grass strips. Now you can buy these; they're about £3 for 10. And I also thought I'd have a go at making tufts. So these are some I bought. Again, they're not expensive, £4 or £5 for a couple of sheets, but I discovered that I could make mine just as quickly and easily. And all you need, believe it or not, is a plastic bag, a flat surface, some PVA and some static grass in a shaker. And it really is as simple as that. So all we're going to do, run some beads of PVA the length that you want. I have discovered make them a little bit thicker if you can. I'll just do a couple to show you what we're doing. And then obviously the tufts are just a big blob of PVA. Now, I guess you could use tin foil. I have wondered whether you could experiment with hot glue, but I'm going to use, because this works, PVA. Now, you can use the shakers, which is where we got the idea from. However, this is a drinks bottle with some holes cut in the cap, and I find it works just as well. And what you do is you give it a really good shake. And I can't show you on here, but it also helps if you rub it on your jumper or your leg or something like that, just to generate the static. I've got in here 3 different colours. We get our static grass from Hobby King, which is the cheapest source we've found. You'll find their website looks a bit expensive till you realise that the bag has got about 4 times the amount that other people's have got for the same money. You shake it till you get some static, and all we're going to do then is put it down onto the glue. It really is as simple as that. Now, obviously, when you do it, do a sheet full. I just didn't want to sit here and do loads and loads and loads because I'm lazy. I also found that this shaker is better than the posh one that I bought because it's got lots of holes in it and it goes everywhere. Whereas I find with this, you can more or less get it where you want it. And this won't go to waste because all you do is what you don't need, when it's dry, you shake off and you put it back in the bottle. Now, what I have found is a bit like growing spuds in the allotment. When you've done it, just run your finger up where the excess is and just push it gently to the edges. And I find it just helps to get the extra amount on. Now, once you've done that and you're happy and you've got your big sheet full, out here in the conservatory it's quite cold, but this morning I did some and I put them in the sun in the bedroom and they dried quite quickly. So when you've done that, and anybody that knows what I'm talking about here, Valerie Singleton, John Noakes, Peter Purvis, here's one I did earlier. Anybody under about 40 or from overseas is looking at us wondering what on earth we're talking about. But it's a children's program called Blue Peter. And what they used to do, they used to show you, they'd get like an Action Man house that was a lot of money and they'd show you how to make one out of a cardboard box. So really, we're a bit like the modern version of Blue Peter. And what you'll get is this. And effectively, it's as simple as that. You peel it off the plastic and there's a bit of grass edging. You get one of your little tufts, you peel it off and there's a grass tuft. Now, there's a grass tuft I bought, there's a grass tuft I made. Effectively, there's no difference. The only difference is these only cost me a fraction of a pence to make. So I'm not buying any more anymore. I'm going to make them all myself. Because it really is that simple. It's a plastic bag, a bottle of PVA, and a plastic bottle with some static grass in it. These have come out a little bit thin, but that's not a problem. But you could use a thicker string of PVA if you wanted. But they're really very useful. You can put them around the edges of where you've done things like grass mat to blend it in. And I'm going to use some of the narrow ones around buildings so that the buildings look bedded in. So there we go. A nice, simple little tutorial Tuesday that really shows you everything we're about here at Budget Model Railways. So if you've enjoyed watching this, please subscribe. If you've already subscribed, please have a look at our Christmas giveaway offer. There's only a few weeks left. We've got 14,500 subscribers, but only 3,000 people have entered the competition to win a free Hornby train set. So if you're a subscriber, please just go to find the video, follow the links, and enter the competition, because it's absolutely genuine. We'll send it to whoever anybody wins. There's no catch. The nice thing is Hornby are quite impressed with what we're doing. If we get enough entries, they'll possibly give us another train set next year, so we can give another one away next year. And of course, a couple of lucky runners up are going to get one of our free 3D printed loco kits. So there's lots to gain there. So if you haven't already, please enter the Christmas competition. And if you're following our layout on Homeward Vale, our new exhibition layout, we'll hopefully have another video out next Friday, but if not, definitely the Friday after. So thank you as always for watching, and enjoy your model railways. Hi, thanks for watching the video and for the nice comments. Click on the left for a previous video in this series, click on the right for another video you might enjoy, and please don't forget to click to subscribe, like, comment, etc. Thanks again.